Queens and Kings. Alright, Queens and Kings, so I'm going to show you guys 4 spring home decor ideas. And I'm going to start off with this little decorative, I'm not sure I call it a shadow box or what. I'm not sure, but I purchased this last year or a year before last from Dollar General or Family Dollars. But anyways, as you guys can see, I have like this little shabby chic look or a little farmhouse look, which you guys know I'm not into. So I'm gonna cover this all white using some paint from Walmart. I think it's Waverly white paint, and then the little insert that came with it, I'm gonna use partial of a placemat that I cut up and cut down to size and place some glue on each one of the corners, and I'm gonna insert this back into the little box. Isn't this cute, Queens and Kings? Now it's just a gorgeous little tabletop decorative piece here, which I just brought it up several notches, as you guys can see, because you know I'm all about the glam. But I love it. It's just a cute little tabletop piece, or where do you desire to place it at, just to bring some spring into your home without doing the over the top. Definitely if you're into neutral colors. So we're gonna move on to this little centerpiece here. This little plate here, egg plate, came from Dollar Tree, which I'm using some Dollar Tree foam as well as some flowers too. I do start off with this bigger white flower, which did not come from the Dollar Tree. I think I had it for a while. I'm not even sure where it's come from, but I was running out of flowers, so I decided to also use the flowers that a company sent me. But I'm actually going to change them because, as you guys can see, those not as white as white. And once I started placing them together with the bigger flower, I did not like it. So I'm actually going to change it out to some bright white flowers from Dollar Tree. And these purples, the lavender ones, also came from the Dollar Tree. Alright, Queens and Kings, so as you guys can see, I did switch out the flowers like I said. The other ones wasn't bright enough for me. But anywho, I'm moving on to adding some more greenery just to bring this centerpiece to life so it don't look so plain and simple, I would say. But I'm using some of these greenery, I think these are picks or so, whatever that came from Dollar Tree. I can't recall the name of them, but just enough to bring it up some more, bring a little life to the centerpiece so it don't look so much down or whatever. And I'm also going to use some little Glamorous picks that I actually got here from the old time pottery store. So here it is, Queens and Kings, where I have added some of my little decorative eggs that I purchased from Homegoods or Marshall time ago. So this will be a lovely centerpiece for your coffee table or end table, even your dining room table, which I love the way that it turned out. Something simple and glamorous of my heart. Alright, Queens and Kings, so moving on to the third DIY here, where I have some more of those placemats that I couldn't have, and then I have some printables out here that look like bunnies, but my son did color those, so that's why you see they all highlighted and everything. He's so cute, gotta love him. But anyways, I'm just gonna cut these out, the free printables that did come from I got them offline. I just got them offline. Just type in free printables and print them out or whatever. But these are 2 different sizes, 3 different sizes or styles of bunnies that I'm actually going to cut out here. And I'm just using a pair of scissors until I do each and every one. Okay, so moving on here, I have some of these fabrics that came from Walmart, and these here I had for a while now. I did make these DIY pillows last year, so all of the printables that we did cut out, and I traced them out and everything. I'm sorry I didn't get to show that to you all, but it's just cut and trace. I'm basically going to glue those on the little DIY pillowcase covers that I did a while back. And I did the hot glue method pretty much. Just type it in how to do it, and it's something easy and simple for it to do. So basically, we all see these little glamorous pillows and things like that that's inside of Homegoods and sister cousin stores. So I wanted to make some for myself, and then I came across my sister, my friend channel, which is Shells Glam's Home. Shells had did some, and she gave me the exact idea what I knew what I was gonna do. So I've been searching. I said no more searching. I'm just gonna make some myself, and so that's basically what I'm doing here. Now I'm just gonna glue these on like they're kissing, cause remember I said they are three different size bunnies. This one here is the larger bunny, and I'm gonna glue the little smaller bunny, which is just a tad little bit smaller, not too much smaller, but I'm gonna make them kissing. And I'm just gonna secure my end of my pillow cover with some hot glue, so therefore I can place it on my couch. And if you all want to see my home tour once I actually complete everything, get it all done, check out my second channel, which I will leave it in the iCards as well as down in the description box, so you guys can get a full tour of my home and see how I use all of these affordable, easy spring decorative pieces. All right, queens and kings, so here it is. I love these little kissing bunny pillows. Now this was just so affordable and easy to do. Like I love this, I love this, I love this. Like this was beyond affordable. And they are so pretty here next to my other DIY pillow that I did use. That I did DIY, I mean to say a while back as well. So moving on to the last and final DIY here, which is not pretty much a DIY, it's another like revamp. And I have this happy Easter sign from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this little wreath here that I purchased from Burlington probably last year or year before last, which never did use it. And it misses some pieces and everything. So I'm just going to fill those in with all these little things that I have. So I have some ribbon, navy blue wire ribbon. Then I have some more glamorous picks and silver picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. The ribbon came from Old Time Pottery, but you can always find wire ribbon everywhere, as well as these little blings here, little picks here that I use in the centerpiece. These also came from Old Time Pottery. And then here's the little ferns or whatever the greenery that I use also in the centerpiece from Dollar Tree. And I got my wire cutters here. I don't think I'm actually gonna need it though. But anyways, we're gonna move on to just basically shaping this up, filling it up, giving it a desired look that I want, the style that I want. So I'm just gonna play around with some more things until I actually get it how I want. As you guys can see right now, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm not using anything to tie nothing down because by this little reef is like a, I'm not sure it's wooden or whatever, but I'm able to hold everything down just by sticking it into the wreath. So in case I desire, I want to change it or use this wreath for something else, like take off the Happy Easter sign, I can use it for summer. So I'm just going to continue playing around, and then once I figure out what I want to do, just start adding pieces to it just to bring this wreath up a notch. right, queens and kings. So here's the final DIY, you will say. But I love the way that my wreath came out. I did just a simple bow. That's why I did not show you guys that. Just a simple bow like you tie a knot or whatever, tying on a shoestring. But I love the way that these turned out. Just the simple colors of the lavender as well as the pop of blue. Because if you guys don't know, my home does have blue in it. And my pop of color is lavender this year. So check out my second channel, Queen's Val Living. But anywho, I decided to add just one little Easter egg on here. Just put a little more glamorous. I didn't want to go over the top with it. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed these little simple spring decor ideas. If you queens and kings did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you guys for 30,000 plus subscribers. So with that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys be blessed and continue to be royal.